Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to have a look at this clock radio. It's like a wooden teak looking top finish with the silver front, by a company called Candle. But I think what these old clocks and old electronics like this were like possibly General Electric built something like this, and then they just put different brand names on, like for Sears or for Walmart or for whoever sells the clocks. They can have their own branding put on it. It looks really dirty in there. Yeah, quite disgusting inside. Definitely 70s era, this. Definitely. I can remember our family having one. So let's take it to the plugs, and let's plug it in. Let's just move this fishing rod out of the way. Let's plug it in and see what it can do. Good grief, I think the elastic band's about 50 years old too. Right. Oh, yep, well the clock works. That is a great start. I like the colour of the clock. I like that like turquoisey blue colour. It's got the volumes at the front, I think, for recording. And it's got a few. Radio seems to crackle. You can hear that. Yep. Different bands and can go from tape to radio, but yeah, it seems to pick something up. The dial moves nice and freely. I like that. That's nice. Wow, I think it's $10.99. This. I think this has got to be worth a buy at $10.99. I think if the tape works, okay, I think it must be worth a gamble. Maybe double your money. Quick flip, clean up, $20. Oh, no! Oh, that's bad. That's really bad. No, that don't sound right. That's not the Tina Turner I remember. Yeah, let's turn her over and see what she sounds like on the other side. Come on, Tina, you can do better than that. Oh, no, something not right in there. That doesn't sound good. I don't think this is going to be coming home with me. It just looks like too much work. I could probably do belts, and maybe not even a motor, but if the belts needed doing, I could do that. But oh yeah, that's disgusting. A clean up, I'm not scared of, but that noise is something not good there. What do you guys think? What do you think that noise could be?